So today, corporate's making me do some kind of like cell cycle day. And whenever they first said cell, I thought they meant like prison cell, but apparently not. There's like cells in your body or whatever. Anyways, I have to talk to them about like PMAT. And like Calissa, y'all know her, she's probably not gonna understand what that is, cause like what's a PMAT? But I'm like really good at explaining things, so I'll probably, get the point across to them. So yeah. Okay, everybody, we're having meeting time. It's cell cycle day. Get up. Let's go. Come on, guys, cell cycle. Sit down. In your chairs.
Why does she always do stuff like this? Like, this is a waste of our time. We could be making sales right now.
I just want to be on lunch break.
I always want to be on lunch break.
All right, guys, so today we're learning about the cell cycle. Do you know what that is? Okay. So there's 5 phases. There's interphase, prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase.
I haven't gotten my phase yet.
Oh my God. Well, we all have our phases, sweetie, okay? I don't even know how to go from there. Stage we're gonna talk about is interphase, okay? So this is kind of like if you have cancer, this is where the bad things will happen. Okay, so raise your hand if you have cancer. Okay. So no one has cancer? Okay, that's kind of weird. Okay.
So I have prostate cancer and I haven't really told anyone yet, but I guess today's the day. Cancer is unregulated cell growth and it happens during interphase, which is like the longest phase of the cell cycle. It has G1, S, and G2. And G1 is when there's protein synthesis to increase the amount of cytosol. And then it goes to the S phase, which is DNA replication. And then there's G2, which is when the organelles of the cell duplicate. And yeah, cancer sucks, but like, at least I get to be blonde.
I don't think she has cancer. I think she just wants to be blonde like me.
Okay, well, I was just asking about cancer because it's like the issues of it happen in interphase, but I guess since nobody has cancer, there's no point in me talking about it or anything. So
She just said she has it.
What?
She literally. Sit down. I'm teaching this class. You crackpot.
Oh, please don't.
Sit down.
No.
Did I stutter?
Okay, well, corporate's gonna hear about this.
Since Mackenzie obviously can't explain this to y'all, I will be explaining the checkpoints in interphase. P53 is the tumor suppressor gene that codes for a protein that regulates cell cycle. The G1 checkpoint determines whether all conditions are favorable for division to proceed, and the G2 checkpoint makes sure the chromosomes have been replicated correctly and are not damaged.
Oh my gosh, boring. I want Mackenzie back, please.
Okay.
You. Okay, so there are 2 other things that are used in DNA replication that like help check. And so there are 2 things called CDKs and cyclins, and they help move the DNA into the G2 phase. So CDKs, they signal the cell that it's ready to pass into the next phase of the cell cycle, and cyclins bind to CDKs to phosphorylate other molecules.
Mackenzie is so boring and worse than me. She even forgot P21. P21 is a CKI that regulates cell cycle progression at G1 and S.
All right, we're gonna learn the cell cycle song. Ready?
Yes.
So we're gonna go prophase. Prophase. Metaphase. No. Calista, oh my God. Anaphase. Telophase. Cytophases. Oh my God. Can't with you. All right, now y'all try it. Prophase.
Chromosomes become visible as chromatids and nuclear envelope disappear.
Metaphase.
Chromosomes line up in the middle and they become attached to spindle fibers.
So actually, I'm the smart one. They both forgot the M checkpoint, which is also called the spindle checkpoint. And like, that determines if the sister chromatids are correctly attached to the microtubules.
Anaphase.
Chromosomes move away from each other to the opposite poles of the spindle.
Telophase.
Chromosomes move to opposite ends of poles and two nuclei are formed.
Cytokinesis.
Cytoplasm divides and two new cells are formed. Ta-da!